Good morning everyone. I am Pooja Miglani, EVS educator at Mount Litra Zee School, Gwalior. I am deeply committed to the growth and development of our students. I am honored to share you the profound benefits of attending Zee Learn workshops and CBSE workshops, both for our personal growth and for the holistic development of our students. These workshops serve as transformative platforms for continuous learning, professional development and innovation in education. For me, personally participating in attending Zee Learn workshop has been instrumental in expanding my pedagogical repertoire, refining my teaching techniques and rejuvenating my passion for education. In conclusion, attending Zee Learn workshops and CBSE workshop is not just a professional obligation but a powerful catalyst for personal growth and for students' development. As educators, let us embrace every opportunity to engage in professional learning, to innovate in our teaching practices and to inspire excellence in our students. As we continue our collective journey towards shaping the leaders and change makers of tomorrow. Thank you.